Hey, welcome to Graphic Policy Television, GPTV, and Brett. In my hands is Blockies Shining version 2 for Transformers. Now, Blockies is basically mini model kits that you can put together, and they cost anywhere from about $8 to $12 depending on the versions. So Shining is interesting in that not only are there like metallic elements to them, there are also light up elements, which I think is really cool, that we've only seen in kind of the more costly sets. And the big thing with these is if you, whoa, this is a very thick instruction booklet now. If you've put together one, you generally can put together the rest of them. They all kind of go together in a very similar way, so you know, it doesn't really throw you off. There's a few I'm looking forward to this. I'm really looking forward to Beachcomber. I believe that's a character that hasn't been in any other sets so far, so I'm kind of pumped on this one. Ooh, we got Soundwave. This looks like a cool one. Now, Soundwave has been in a previous set. This would be a new version of Soundwave. The previous one was actually really cool. What's really neat about this is we get Ravage with it. Like, hells yeah to that. Looks like Ravage isn't too complicated. Alright, so let's go dive in and put together Soundwave. Hey, thanks for watching the previous video from Graphic Policy Television. Just by watching, you help support our site. Thank you so much. Now, if you're watching these videos, you probably care about geeky things like movies, television, comic books, toys, games, video games, you name it. You can go and subscribe right now to our YouTube channel to stay in touch and catch all the new videos, or check out our website at graphicpolicy.com. There's a nice link on this end of the video. But as always, thank you for watching. Keep on rocking and keep it geeky.